So you wake up in the morning and open your eyes, and the first thing you realize is that the postmodernistic neo-Marx liberal dream you've been having wasn't real. And so it's like, okay, if that's not real, then what are you gonna do? Well, you gotta get yourself out of bed, you gotta get moving, right? So you get up out of bed, you put your shoulders back, stand up straight, because there's chaos to confront. And if we don't confront chaos, then we're not doing anything meaningful with our life. And so, the first decision, the first chaos that you have to actually encounter is, what are you going to eat for breakfast? Is it going to be toast or is it going to be cereal? And Hitler loved cereal. Just loved cereal. So, you better bloody well get the toast instead, because you don't want to be like Hitler. So you choose the toast, and you need to make the next decision. What are you going to do? Well, bucko, you need to actually get a shower. Guess what? You try and take a shower, but the hot water's gone. So what? It's like, what do you do? Well, you take a cold shower. You face the pain. Existence is painful, and if you don't face the pain, then you're wasting your life.